In this module, we're going to look at consolidation of worksheets. We're going to look at consolidating multiple worksheets because at times we need to obtain data from different worksheets and combine them and the information into one. For example, consider a company owning different divisions across the United States. We have information for the years 211, 212, 213 on separate worksheets concerning its quarterly sales. Management would like to see the total of the 3 years in sales data as well as a chart depicting this information. We would like to sum the 3 years of data to get a total for the parent company for the last 3 years, as well as other information. Another example could be a company that has 3 divisions. Each division has sales, returns, etc., and we would like to get a total of all the returns, sales of the 3 divisions. And for a third example, suppose we keep a record of home runs for each team we follow on separate sheets. We would like to obtain a total of all home runs in one sheet. This can easily be accomplished by making use of the consolidation concept. Consolidation is the process of summarizing data found on multiple worksheets. To see how this works, let's go to our fictitious company, William Patterson Corporation. Assume we have quarterly sales from 2011, 2012, and 2013. Let's get the total of sales for the 3 years 2011, 2012, and 2013. To accomplish this, we're going to use multiple worksheets. Let's assume we have 3 spreadsheets in our workbook. We're going to look at the 2011 one first, which is the one we have on the screen. Then we can look at the 2012, and we can look at the 2013. You notice that the data is set up in a similar way, but the numbers obviously are different. Let's just go backwards now. This is 2013, 2012, and 2011. Let's look at the result, which is called the consolidated worksheet, and see how it looks. Let's look at cell C5. We see the formula sum, and it is summing up the worksheet 2011 through the worksheet 2013 for the cell C5. If we wish, we could write out the formula the long way. Let's take a look. 2011 in cell C5 plus 2012 cell C5 and 2013 cell C5. Let's check the results. So for example, here we see the East has $3,700 in sales. Let's go back to the 3 sheets. 2011 we had 1,000, and then in 2012 we had 1,200, so that makes it 2,200 rather, and we have 1,500, and all 3 are consolidated then to give us 3,700. Notice we have here also the max, the min, and the average. Notice the chart, whereby the chart is a combination of the 3, and if you take a look again at, let's say, 2012, notice that the numbers are slightly different. Same thing with 2011. Same thing with 2013. And now a final consolidated picture is given over here. We're going to look at another situation, but we'll do this in the next module. The question is, what happens if the data from the 3 years is stored in different workbooks? Not sheets, but workbooks. Possibly different regional headquarters might forward files to a central location, like an accounting center. You will see that we're going to use a flexible approach whereby we can get the sum of the information in a similar way to which we did the 3 worksheets just now.